that is so. But knowing him personally well, the guy that wants to take him out, good luck to you. That is a highly trained combatant. Yes. I hope that General Masemola and the rest of the management also see it, and they take steps to protect him. But he is himself as a person is very capable of protecting himself. As I said, it's not a new phenomenon. The only thing what changed now is they are not keeping a political party in power. They're keeping the cartels in power now, and they're hijacking the police for their own pocket benefit, not for political gain. That is what the situation is. Will it ever be broken? It's difficult.